I release all energies that do not serve my highest good. My spirit is renewed and rejuvenated with each breath. I am cleansing my mind, body, and soul. I am in harmony with my true self. My thoughts are pure and my intentions are clear. I am surrounded by love and light. My spirit is light, free, and open to new experiences. I invite positivity and joy into my life. I am grounded and centered in the present moment. I am worthy of love, abundance, and peace. I nurture my soul with love and compassion. I am a vessel for divine energy and creativity. I am surrounded by supportive and uplifting energies. I radiate peace and tranquility in all areas of my life. My heart is open to love, healing, and transformation. I am grateful for the cleansing process in my life. I am aligned with my authentic self and purpose. I am capable of manifesting my highest potential. I cultivate inner peace through breath and awareness. I am a beacon of positivity and love. I am deserving of a life filled with joy and abundance. I celebrate my spiritual growth and transformation.